Psyllium, often misspelled as psyllium, is a form of soluble fiber made from the husks of the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant, which is primarily grown in India. It's most commonly used as a dietary supplement to improve digestion and, well, regulate bowel movements. Natural fiber from Plantago ovata seeds. It's available in husk, powder, capsule, or tablet form. The active part is the husk, which expands into a gel-like substance when mixed with water. Please like, share and subscribe. Relieves constipation by adding bulk and moisture to stool, making it easier to pass. Improves digestive health by supporting gut bacteria and regular bowel movements. Helps lower cholesterol, especially LDL or bad cholesterol. Aids blood sugar control by slowing down digestion and the absorption of sugars. Supports weight management by promoting fullness and, reducing appetite. So, the usual dosage is about 1 to 2 teaspoons mixed with a full glass of water, and you can take this 1 to 3 times daily. It's really important to drink plenty of water to avoid choking or, any intestinal blockage. And just so you know, psyllium can be taken before meals to help reduce your appetite. Now, people with swallowing disorders should be careful as there's a risk of choking. Also, anyone with bowel obstructions or narrowing of the intestines needs to avoid psyllium. If you have allergic reactions to Plantago ovata, you should steer clear as well. And children under 12 should only use it under medical advice. Some common brands you might have heard of include Metamucil, 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲, and 𝘃𝗶𝗱𝗲. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.